Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on the account suggestion notification on Threads on Android. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn on this feature and receive notifications when Threads suggests new accounts to follow. Threads is a messaging app designed for close friends and family. It allows you to share photos, videos, and messages with the people you care about most. The account suggestion notification feature can be helpful if you want to discover new accounts and stay connected with your community on the app. Here are the steps to turn on the account suggestion notification on Threads on Android. Step 1. Open Threads app and log in. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone and log into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open settings. Step 3. Access notifications in the settings menu. Tap on notifications. Step 4. Access following and followers under notifications. Tap on following and followers. Step 5. Turn on account suggestion. Scroll down until you see the account suggestion section. Toggle on the switch next to it to turn on the notification feature. And that's it. You have successfully turned on the account suggestion notification on Threads on your Android phone. Now, you will receive a notification each time Threads suggests new accounts to follow. This can help you discover new accounts and stay connected with your community on Threads. It's especially useful if you're looking to expand your network and connect with new people. In conclusion, turning on the account suggestion notification on Threads on Android is a simple process that can help you discover new accounts and stay connected with your community. Follow these steps to turn on the notification feature and receive alerts when Threads suggests new accounts to follow. Thank you for watching.